Let's talk about the four biggest factors that impact whether or not your students are going to finish the incredible course that you've put together for them. Now, I know you are not pouring your heart and your soul and like so much effort and probably a lot of tears, because video recording's the worst, into creating an online program that no one finishes. I know that you want to get your people life-changing results, and that happens if they're actually able to move through the transformation that you've mapped out. Now, having seen behind the scenes and been a part of creating hundreds of courses, I have narrowed in on the four biggest factors that impact whether or not someone's going to complete. And this is something that I like to refer to as the four horsemen of the course apocalypse. And they are confusion, overwhelm, boredom, and procrastination. And if any one of these four nasty dudes shows up in your program, it means that your learner is most likely going to exit the experience and come back another time, or maybe never come back again, because you are working with adults, which means there's a lot on their plate. We all have lots of priorities, lots of things going on. So we really want to make sure that your program experience is has as much flow and as much ease and as much amazing energy as possible, so that your people have no excuses but to move through this incredible experience that you have created for them.